So I'm here at work. Should have brought my little handle thing. I want to see how this works out. Just got to work. No one else is here yet. Well, there's some people. But look at this. Such a cool place to work. I'm very fortunate. You know, oh, here I am thinking, how do I do this? How do I hold this camera in such a way? I have a mount on my bike. Check that shit out. So here I am at work. It's crazy to think about it. I'm very fortunate to have the job that I have. I don't know how I got this job. And, you know, the more I think about it, the more I think, you know, it's not survivor's guilt, but it's kind of like survivor's guilt. You know, like, have you guys ever had anything, or like you just feel guilty? You feel guilty over getting something or achieving something. I don't know how to say this properly, but that's kind of like how I feel. You know, almost like a imposter syndrome. That's it. It's imposter syndrome. Sometimes I feel imposter syndrome that I work here and I have what I have, and I think that's normal to an extent. I definitely earned it, but I think it's just the, I mean, people would kill to have this job, you know? People would kill to get an opportunity to get paid what we get paid to work at a power plant for the U.S. Army. Talk about job security, you know? It's just so crazy to me. The most money I've ever seen to do the least amount, basically, is how it, you know, in the military, when I was Air Force, after you take into consideration all the hours you put in, when I was active duty, we actually did the math, and we were making like $2 an hour, I think, not even, as E3s, E4s. Oh, I'm dropping my jazz here. And now it's considerably more than that. But it's almost like a guilt, you know. Imposter syndrome is, it's a lot like guilt, where you feel like I owe the Army for having this opportunity. And that's why I try to work really hard while I'm here, is kind of to earn it even more. I don't know if any of this is making any sense. But yeah. Just a little kickstand thought while the bike's on the kickstand. Yeah, thanks for listening.